morning, guys. Welcome back to Finesse Fishing Colorado. Today we are at Spinney Mountain Reservoir and we are on a mission for some big juicy pike. So this past couple of years I've been on a real big bass kick. I got hooked. I've been fishing bass religiously, but I want something a little different. And seeing how we live in Colorado, we're gonna target a fish that is heavily populated and, quite frankly, one of the most badass predator freshwater fish there is. So we're here at Spinney Mountain Reservoir. We're gonna do some pike fishing. Today we're gonna be throwing some big swim baits, big chatterbaits, spinner baits. Did I say that already? Swim baits. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this morning I'm starting out with this Savage Gear trout swim bait. I'm throwing it on a moderate fast action heavy rod. So we just came across a bird stuck in some fishing line.
If you can.
I'm just gonna reach it. Oh, it's in his mouth too.
Is it? Hold on to this, because this is like what's... Don't bite me, bud.
You want my scissors instead?
Yeah. Chill out. Fucking shit on us. You're okay. Watch him bite you.
Oh shit. I don't know how to grab a bird.
Usually by the head or something. What do you need to do? This is like the old
foot, really. Get him to keep his wing out of the way.
Chill out, bud. This is gonna save you. Make sure you don't cut his leg. Oh, you got it. There's a fucked up piece of line. Chill out. You almost got it, dude. Make a big piece. Now we need to get it out of his mouth. Nice. Something's wrapped up yours. Try to pull that piece. Oh. Okay, so you're gonna have to hold on to him for a sec, probably. I want to get that shit out of his mouth. I don't want to stick my fingers over there. You were fucked, bud. You would have not made it, I don't think. Hold on. Okay.
Or not. He's flying, that's good.
I hate that the piece in his mouth I wanted to get.
I know.
That's alright. I hate that.
Me too. Pick up your trash, guys, please.
Right. You know, at least pick up your line.
There we go. There we go. I think so. We're hooked up. Can you grab the net? Oh yeah, whatever it is, it's good. Come on.
Hold on, you're not even up to the boat.
Dude, he's close. Oh shit. Yes.
We got a big pike.
Oh, I have no drag.
You need to let some drag out. Uh-oh. There we go.
No.
Are you still on?
He's still on.
Okay, good. I don't know if you're not big enough.
Dude, he's a good bike. Yes.
My heart's beating. I haven't even seen him yet, dude.
Oh.
I haven't even seen him yet. Watch it just be a big old brown trout. No. That's a big pike. Big pike.
Yes. Dude, he's huge.
Big pike. Oh, that's a monster pike, dude. Oh my god.
He's huge. He is. Oh my god.
That hook, that bait went up just like a.
Hurt. I don't even think I'm in his mouth anymore. Yes! Yes! Oh. Oh my god. God, he's massive. On the Savage gear.
That's a big pike.
God, huge slime dragon, dude. Wow, guys. I'm freaking out right now.
You're gonna have to hold him for a sec.
He's gone. He swam. Oh my god. That was so sick. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Sweet, dude. My first fucking monster pike. Well, guys, that was so cool. Threw this little Savage gear swim bait. And this one here. Ow. A little rainbow trout. And he annihilated it. God, that was fun. I think that's the biggest fish I've ever caught, ever, any species. Whew, that was a good time. Hell yeah. Well, guys, today's fishing was awesome. It wasn't a numbers game. It was a PB game. I caught my best pike I've ever caught. Before that, I mean, I was only catching 6-inch, 9-inch pike. So today blew my mind. Absolutely one of the best days of fishing I've had in a long time. One of the best catches I've had in a long time. I'm absolutely addicted. I love pike fishing. So you'll see a lot more of that on this channel. I think that is my new game fish I'm gonna target. So yeah, if you guys got any suggestions for where I should go next to do some pike fishing, what I should have changed up today to maybe produce more pike, let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe. Perfect. And as always, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.